All right, you guys, as you can see, these are some of the cars that are staged and been chilling in the JW Marriott. This is the morning of the rally. We're getting ready to meet up with the rest of the crew from the Caris culture, and we're gonna do this rally today. It's gonna be dope. Look at what we have. These are some of the cars on the Concours, Sunbeam, fully restored Porsche, and then of course we jump straight over here to these the Hypercars, the supercars as they call them. We're gonna head out to the rest of the cars that are starting to get staged outside for the rally. Do you guys like Paganis? Do you guys like classic Lambos, P cars, British cars, etc., and so on and so forth? Let's cruise over there. We set up the crane last night on the truck. Martini Porsche right there, classic BMW, Mercedes, a couple of muscle cars right here. It's time to go. Let's go. Once again, you guys, the cars are all going to start staging right around this area, and we are going to be able to gather everyone. They're going to have a meeting, and then we're going to cruise out. For those of you that saw the vlog from last year, you kind of recognize a lot of this. The temperature's up from last year, but it's perfect and it's great. The sun is out. I'm really excited about the day. Look at this rig right here. Okay, so private carrier, I don't know what was in there, but look at this dually right here. This is kind of intense. Let's go over here and just check this out. It's a really, really lovely morning, and I feel very blessed again to be out here. And instead of riding with one of the cars on the rally, as a judge I have the ability to do that, and you get to pick, and it's pretty amazing. But I want to be with the guys doing media, being able to show you guys the cars and the rally from that type of perspective rather than just being in one of the cars. So that's how I did it last year. That's how I'm doing it this year. Look at this morning right here. Look at how beautiful this morning is. And we're gonna be filled with cars here in just a moment. Okay? All right, you guys, I'm here with the homie C- from the Karis Culture. We are at the F1 track. This is where the rally is going to end, and the cars are gonna pull up right here. We're gonna have a photo shoot, chill out, and they have a brunch going on in one of the private suites. We'll be there for a little bit, but then we are gonna head back to our hotel. They have a production meeting. I have some personal plans, but here we are, F1 track. We're gonna set everyone up all along this end, down this way, and have a fire shoot. So we're on the F1 track right now. Everyone's going inside to the suite. They're doing a tour, talking to one of the F1 representatives about what's going on with the races and things like that. So we just get to have some private time, get shots, chill, walk around while everyone's up there doing that thing. So I hope you guys are enjoying this, because I am. You don't really get to walk on the F1 track very often with this type of like diversity. So a shout out to how organized the police dudes with the escort, with their motorcycles, the way they just got themselves lined up all there, all lined up and crispy. Shout out to those dudes.